Part 2. As you saw yesterday, I put in headlights. They are from Mark 1 with the yellow glasses inside, but for now they will do, I think. It looks a little bit better. So I took out some cleaning materials and some tools. Let's see what we can do about the interior. First of all, let's see what's loose already. And we got some speaker grill, aftermarket antenna. Oh, some bolts, screws I mean. Some BX wheel trims. There's loads of BX parts in here anyway. Like speedo cable, sun visor, Other than that, looks okay. Seems though like I'm missing one side panel here. We'll have to look for that. No wonder this speaker grill was not staying on. 3 of the 4 tabs are broken off. Now, we will see if it stays on like this. Not bad. Let's see about this antenna cable. I see it also has an aftermarket alarm. I don't know what is left of this system, so I will not touch it because you never know what happens. It just goes into the dash. The best solution. There you go. I will fish out that cut off wire from the dashboard later because I think there are still 12 volts on it because it was an active antenna. So let's see if we can get the roof console in again. Okay, let's put in the AC sensor. That looks about right. I had a look for these very long screws, only used for this roof console. Light cover. There you go. Only thing missing here is the blackout cover for this hole. I don't know where it is. Maybe we will find it later. I found some paperwork in the center armrest, which was not eaten by mice. I don't know what it all is. Certificat conformité. I think this is from when they imported the car into the Netherlands. This car was originally from Belgium. So in 2003 they imported it. I think this paperwork is from that. Yeah, Belgian registration. Some safety test certificates. 17, 16, 15. The original Dutch license. 2003. Some insurance paperwork. The Citroën Assistance card with codes for the radio, which is no longer there. And that's it. What do we have here? Oh, jeez. Oh, for the automatic folding mirror on the passenger side when you put it into reverse. Some more shit. Holiday memories. lot of people don't know this, but to take out the lock pin and reset it, the procedure is very simple. You have this tiny hole here, there's a tab inside, you push it in, you push it down, it releases the lock, so you can take it out. And to put it back in again, make sure the locking tab is in the bottom hole. Close the door, lock the door, and then fiddle around until you get the knob over the pin. Which of course never works. There you go, we've got it started on the pin. Put it in, push it all the way down until it clicks. Finished. The best seating position, in my opinion. It's even got heated seats. The luxury. If you wonder why I haven't shown you the boot, because it's full of shit. Ah, there we go, the missing panel. The other alloy wheel, and the rest is all BX parts. So, what works on the car? Well, except for the starting bit, the screens work. No dead pixels. I think the computer also still works. I think 32 degrees is a little bit excessive, but it has been standing in the sun for the whole day, so could be okay. I don't know. Do the windows still work? Oh yes. Ah. Nope. Rear windows? Yes. Oh. 2 out of the 4 are working. What do we have? The most important option, of course, the electric center armrest, doesn't work. Shit. And for the rest, the wipers, they don't work, I think, because I put it away with the broken wiper motor. Oh, okay. Huh. That fixed itself. Well, there is no radio anymore because that's in my other XM, but the steering wheel still has the controls. I forgot I put in these green LEDs. They illuminate the back seat when you're driving at night. It looks really nice, but yeah. Well, I daily drive a PT Cruiser, so don't ask me. Horn? Oh, a little bit. That also works. Rear wiper? Oh. I have discovered that the center armrest only works when the car is started, so I can trick the car into thinking it is started, and it works. Who could live without this option? So, what to do with this car? I have absolutely no idea. It has 550,000 kilometers. It's a diesel. There is totally no value in this car. It's only good for spare parts. That's why I kept it. I originally bought it for a holiday. And well, it drove so nice, I decided to keep it a little bit longer. Then the wipers didn't work anymore. I got a flat tire. There were some rust spots. One of the steering knuckles is gone. So yeah, I always kept it as a parts car, but it is, I think it's too nice to take it apart. But on the other hand, you do have the clear coat damage, which is such a shame. There's a little bit of rust damage over here. Again, not serious, but yeah, it takes half a day of welding. The ball joint on this side is gone. Again, not so bad, but it's, yeah, not good enough. At some point I stole a wiper. Again, a little bit of rust starting. Not bad. And it needs 2 new rear tires. So, what to do? I have to figure that one out.